Alright guys, here at Van Griffith Kia, I'm about to walk you guys through the next phase of what we've decided to build at Van Griffith Kia to give you guys more options of coming through faster service and a quality car wash. Come over here, show you the truck, and walk out and see what it takes.
Better than most, worse than others.
Yeah. That looks like a lot.
Yep. There we go, state-of-the-art car wash. Arriving in October, should be done by the end of this month because they work pretty quick. They got the first phase done within 2 weeks, professionally done. But you guys come out, get a car wash. Once we get done, be done quick. Or come out and see Jason Walker. Call me at 817-573-0400.